What's up guys, in today's video we're going to be building group adventures with the one and only Jacob. Yeah! So this is epic. I've never actually met Jacob. I mean, I doubt any of you do. I doubt any of you have. I'm pretty sure he's fake. But like, yeah, that's cool. I actually met him. So what are we gonna do now, Jacob?
I don't know, but one thing we do need to do is, okay, can I just say something real quick?
What was it?
I will be giving away these two to the, like and subscribe to the two new like and subscribers, and hopefully you guys like and subscribe, because there is
Yeah,
a chance
sorry,
you can win
to
this.
channel. What's your channel name? What's your channel's name?
JJJ. Oh,
That's
fine, I have like two more. I have like
what's it
more.
called? What's it
It's
called?
fine. Huh?
Well, what's your channel called?
Jacob.
Everybody go sub to Jacob's channel. If y'all are not already subbed to him.
Alright, let's build the build. Build the
Most of
build,
y'all
bro.
have. Okay.
Come on, please
So-
stop waiting around, please.
What are we gonna build now?
Right, can I have some goop?
Yeah, here.
Alright. I'm in the theme for a car today.
For a car? Ooh,
Bro, let's go and build this in stage 5. Let's go and build this in stage 5.
stage 5. To stage 5 we go.
Right?
I'll bring this with me. Yeah. The thing I like about this dagger is just like it's so easy to move it. Jacob, you coming?
I'm just putting the goop in the bag.
Oh.
Alright, come on, let's go.
I'm waiting for you. Hi! Yeah! Like, look at that. It's sending me like a bunch of them. In stage 5, bro. Come, stage 5.
Hold on.
Oh, okay.
Alright, good.
But Jacob is so chill. Wait, let me just make sure.
Alright, first.
Okay, I was.
You already need to help me roll this. I'm thinking like, would you like?
I think I got you, because I have 2 mil, I think. Yeah.
I'm thinking we do this.
2 mil, if y'all see that.
And then maybe add another one of these onto the flat surface.
Okay, no, I'm just gonna let you do your thing, because I'm not really a fan of building or patience. I tried building a watchtower of Goopy.
Alright, that looks good. Now
Yeah,
that looks good.
It does.
Can I have some planks? Can I have like loads of planks?
You mean like the pellets? These? These ones? These?
No planks.
I probably don't have that. This one. I mean, I can go mining and get a research point. If you want, so I can buy it. I think I'm gonna go do that. And this can
Wait, no.
Why? I'll just go. So it's really not that big of a deal.
No, don't. We don't need planks. We don't need planks.
Oh,
Right?
okay.
Okay, so we're gonna make a McDonald's. We're gonna make
Oh,
a McDonald's.
Ooh, I like the sundown. Wait, let me get the food prepared. The McDonald's coming, guys. What the McDonald's say? Let's see. So they sell burritos, I think. They sell beans. They sell coffee, but I don't have enough for that. They sell burritos, so I'll just get that. Another one of these, and another one of these. There you go. That's perfect. Now we got 2 burritos, 2 hamburgers, 2 beans. I'll be here.
Right, that's looking good. That's looking good.
It's on camera. Okay. You need help?
Yes, kinda.
But you barely added the goop. Oh.
No.
Can I put goop on my camera? Wait, no, come here. I got just something with y'all.
Oh, got it.
Can I put goop?
I got it. I got it.
Wait, let me try this one.
No.
No, that's
Oh,
not.
I need some help.
What is the camera exactly? Oh, it's on the screen.
Put the meanwhile thing on. Put the meanwhile thing on.
The what?
The meanwhile screen on.
I'm sorry, what? Wait, do you want some songs to play? Yeah. I can get you some songs.
Okay. That. That's
Okay.
good.
W speed.
Bro, guess what?
What?
I'm friends with J-Man Curly.
What?
I'm friends with J-Man Curly.
Oh yeah,
know
that's
that,
cool.
right?
He's from the J-Man Curly. He's from the Curly, that's cool. I don't really believe you, but if you are telling the truth, W speed, that's actually super cool.
Okay, now we need 2 friends.
Which we don't have.
Here we do. Right here.
Oh, you mean that one? Oh, I meant the long ones. Nope. No.
These crates.
Let's see what happens when I teleport. What happens when I camera? Nice teleport. Bye guys! Oh yeah, that's fast. Hey Bob Buckler! Hi Jacob.
Okay, so our build is gonna be not.
Wait, can you do your iconic voice? Can you do your iconic voice?
What?
Your iconic voice, can you do it?
My iconic voice.
Yeah.
Nah,
Why not?
because I honestly, I can't really do it. No, stop.
Alright. I think I do it.
Ow.
Also, Wi-Fi days off for the distance. Turn. Oh, I see what it does.
Okay. I would need another.
You're off at 1.
Make sure these pieces have done this one.
Ooh, get you, Skyper. Ooh, get you. And then get you.
What? Where'd it go?
Where'd Bog go?
Where'd the kid go? What?
Sometimes it goes to the floor sometimes. So. Yeah.
Can I have his cookie?
Yeah. It's still not that important to me. I own it. You. Get jokes. I'm just. Get jokes. Don't get jokes. Follow me, come over.
Ooh,
Follow
that looks good.
Follow me
Okay, look, yeah.
to life. Yeah, they removed the full leaf clover. Cause I really watched a short about it. Like, a couple of minutes ago. And I was like, wait, what? Is that full leaf clover? Since when? Cooking with Jacob. Cooking with Jacob. Cooking with Jacob. Me. Bye guys. Damn, that's far.
Bro, stop. Bro! Why are you hitting it?
There's
Not
a rat
fair,
in it,
it's
chill.
not fair, it's not fair, it's not fair. Oh. Jump out. Like. Goodbye.
Hey yo,
Night.
that's the Jacob. You guys just see Jacob now?
Okay,
Okay,
okay. Right, you're not really helping me,
Jacob!
right?
What?
Yeah, really helping. Didn't really helping, bro.
You want more goop? Cause I really bad at building. I can give you goop if you want. Do you need more?
Yes, I very much do, thank you.
Oh, that was a paddock. Right here. I also got your paddock. W speed. How much does the item go down? Holy.
Here's the base of McDonald's.
Yeah, here's all the goop by the way. There's like a bunch here.
Right, red duck.
Let's see. This McDonald's. Wow, a McDonald's.
It's actually not looking that bad, honestly.
Wait, I gotta do something. There.
Oh.
Something very important I gotta do. Hey yo. Let's see Jacob. Damn it. Push this go down. Jesus Christ.
Oh.
Yo.
It's fine. I'm
trying to save it.
Yeah.
Let me save it. No, don't save it.
No, please. No, we're gonna be able to build all right?
Actually, wait, you want this? Do you want this? Do you want this so you can save it?
I don't own those I don't own fans or the oh wait, can I have one? Can I have one? And we can do it and then we can do like trick shots and stuff.
Okay, wait. I gotta make a sign for the McDonald's. I get another crowbar. I do this.
You ready, bro?
That's a crowbar. Here. Oh, there's a good. And I get another crowbar.
Hop on.
I put it here.
Hop on, bro. Hop on.
Give me a sec. I'm making a McDonald's sign. That's my last eyes. You know, I don't know how. I can't put a camera on my head, but I can put a goop on my head. A goop. I wish we could put cameras. There you go, made a McDonald's sign.
My TV's getting.
Wait, well, where's the thing? Where's the place? Where's the shop?
It's kind of broken.
No, it's not. To me, it's beautiful. Yeah! Oh, that didn't work. No. Maybe we can rebuild it with the power of love. We can rebuild it. Now I like what is here. Why no stick? Huh? Why no stick?
Why no stick? Huh?
Why no stick? Why no stick? Oh, it's sticked. Let's go now. Now we got my dog. Did you save it?
No, hold on. I need to.
Ah. What I built on?
I don't own the satchel.
Not on the satchel. It's a saddle. Oh no, I don't have that. Then might as well build it across. But I don't have the planks. Do you have the planks? The long ones? I want to build across.
No. That's what I was talking about. Wait, let's go back to spawn. Let's go back to spawn.
Hello. Let's just go through, actually.
This is his name. Make sure to subscribe to him. Make sure to subscribe to him.
Yo, Jacob. How many subscribers do you have?
Oh, guys, this is his name. Make sure to like and subscribe to him.
No, that's not my YouTube channel name. That's my YouTube channel name is VR Vibes. VR Vibes at WC. What?
It is now.
That's mine. Oh, no, it's not. But you have told them my real one.
Come and watch this, guy. Come watch this. No, please. Wait, no, please.
No, Jacob.
No, please.
Jacob, no. Wait.
Boy, no.
Can we get in? Oh wait, I'm running a bag. That's fine. Be gone, Jacob. No, Jacob. Y'all there was this not. I think you did. I hope you did. RIP Jacob in the chat, guys. RIP Jacob in the comments.
Did you fall down too?
No. Morgan. Oh, you're already dead? You already died? I remember it took way more time than that. My bad, Jacob. We didn't need it.
I'm gonna buy the skeleton.
But Jacob, you're gonna become what's his name? I don't know. You're gonna become the skeleton Jacob. And we all like the original Jacob.
I wanna become skeleton. I don't wanna be. I don't know.
Wait a minute, how much is the skeleton?
It's £30.99.
What? It's 6,000.
In real money.
Oh, you're gonna buy
11,000.
You're gonna buy with real money?
Yeah, 11,000.
But have patience. She's not gonna buy with real money. Have patience. I ain't gonna lie.
Come with me.
Are you okay?
See what you see.
I think Jacob's dying, guys. RIP Jacob's in the comments. RIP Jacob. How many subscribers do you have? Jacob. Jacob.
Come with me to see what you see.
Oh, I was off the one. What? Where'd I go?
Come with me to see what you see.
No! Oh. That's a Michael thing? No! My brain. No! Run! Where'd Jacob go? Jacob! No! This isn't you, Jacob! Don't do this! Sebastian! Cheat code.
Wait.
Bye bye, Jacob. My God. These are way too. Come here, Jacob. I'm alive. I fought it last second.
No!
Hey,
No!
RIP Jacob in the comments once again. RIP Jacob, guys. Jacob, you good? Oh, I think you not good. No, oh, not a touch.
I am gonna go and play Gorgeous Hack.
Oh, you play it too? Cool. Alright.
X.
Where's my camera?
No, XIM. What's XIM tag? Bro, what's XIM tag?
I don't know.
I just found it in my library.
I think that's like a version of Gorilla Tag or something. Anyways, that was a
Wait,
fun
hold on,
video
hold
with
on.
Jacob. Can't believe I met the one and only.
Come back, come back, come back.
That was actually wait. What's happening?
Alright,
What?
I'll see you a bit later. I'm gonna play Gorilla Tag.
Yeah, same. Lucky. Anyways, so goodbye, guys. That was a very fun video with Jacob. You still here, Jacob? He's not. So he was definitely fake. He was probably fake. That's why I did the iconic voice. But still, it was a good adventure with him. So that was nice. Goodbye, y'all. Hope you enjoyed. Oh wait, let's not do it. Let's do it that tricky way. Also, before I go, why don't I show you a glitch? Basically, you get your frog camera from your settings, and then you just put it under you and push it up, and then just like that, you fly. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you this right here because I got to show it in my last video with Savion. Anyways, fun video with Jacob. Goodbye, y'all. Hope you enjoyed.